so much for hanging out and tuning in. Me and Leo are partying a little bit. Today has been a little bit of a crazy day, but it's all good. We're here, and I'm so excited to finally reveal my FabFitFun Starter Box. So today we'll be not only revealing it, but also reviewing it. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you'll see that I always will rate any products that I'm checking out on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best. So let's jump right in. Okay, so for some of you who don't know anything about FabFitFun, let's explore that a little further. So FabFitFun is a subscription-based service. It's something that you can opt into, and they offer seasonal packages as well as annual packages. And the cool thing about FabFitFun is that their regular size packages are $49.99. And that's seasonally. But what's really neat is that they offer full-size products. So these are going to be beauty products, fashion, fitness, tech, and even just lifestyle products. And every box that you purchase for $49.99 is valued over $200. So that's pretty cool. So my girlfriend told me about FabFitFun, and to be quite honest with you, I didn't want to purchase in right away because it is $50. However, she actually was sent an email that she can give me a starter box. So that is what we will be reviewing today. So how the starter boxes work is that, from my understanding, FabFitFun will randomly select someone that already subscribes to their service, and they'll give them a link to send to their friends. And for $4.99, Leo wants to be part of the video. Okay, so Leo decided he wanted to be part of the video. Sometimes he gets a little silly when I'm recording, and he is telling me that he wants to be in it. So here we go. So as I was saying, the way that these starter boxes work is that their FabFitFun randomly selects one of their subscribers to send this link to, and that person can then forward that link along to their friends. Now, it is important to know that once the link is sent or forwarded to a friend, the person only has 1 week to redeem that starter box. And once you purchase the starter box for $4.99, you're billed 21 days after your original purchase of the starter box. So that's something to keep in mind, is that you'll automatically be enrolled into the subscription for the seasonal packages for that $49.99. So Leo, I'm sorry to do this to you. I do have to put you down so that way Mommy can review this starter box. How about that, bud? Very good. So here we go. This starter box. We're going to reveal it. We're going to review it. We're going to reveal it. We're going to review it. I am super excited. I have had this box in my possession for weeks now, and all I want to do is reveal it and review it right here in front of you. So I am super, super pumped. So here we go. So first of all, I have to say, I really like this box. I think it's really nice. I like how it's branded, and it has the pinks and the oranges. It's just kind of fun. It's not your everyday brown box that you get in the mail. So I was pretty excited when I saw that. So as we open it up, look how cute this is, FabFitFun Starter Box. And I do know, just from my friend, this starter box is smaller than their normal boxes. So when you actually purchase the seasonal boxes, they're much larger than this with more products. But this is just the starter box, so I only think there's maybe 4 items in it. So let's check out what's in here. So first we have... This is kind of cool. So this is just the FabFitFun magazine. So I'm pretty sure there is tons of cool stuff in here. It says 5 ways to boost your workout, which I could totally use. How the box is curated. So this will be fun to check out later on when I have some time. I will say right away, this box smells amazing. So there has to be something in here that smells really good, very clean, and maybe a little florally. I don't know if that's a word, but for today it is. And a cute little note from them too, explaining what is in my box. So this is exciting. I don't really want to look at that right this second because I kind of want to be surprised. So here we go. Really cute. Share to win, FabFitFun. And we're just going to rip that open. Okay, cool. So one of the first things that I'm seeing here is this Ahava. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. Now this hand cream, I'm pretty sure it's from Israel. Well, I know there's Dead Sea products in it. So I have used this brand before, and I actually love this brand. It is super nice, all their hand creams and stuff. I have super dry skin, so I am super excited about this. And this is a really good size product. So check that out. Pretty big, pretty nice. Honestly, this alone, because I know this brand, this alone is definitely worth $5 to me. So I'm already pumped. Okay, so then I have this. Oh, this is probably what I was smelling here. So this is a body wash infused buffer. Check that out. Pretty cool. So it's a body wash and a body buffer. It cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. So this is something that you put into water during your shower and you massage it, it says, in a circular motion on the skin. So when I use this, this might actually be something that would be fun to review for you guys. So that's pretty cool. Okay. So this, super pumped about. This is by Free People. If you're not familiar with Free People brand, they have so much cool stuff. I seriously love all their stuff. So I'm already excited about this. This, I'm reading from the label here, is Starry Eyed Travel Eye Mask. It's a vegan leather eye mask, which has a non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. And there's also this elastic strap at the back, which is adjustable too. So that's great for my round head. But what is, I'm really, really pumped actually about this is the insert. So this is definitely something that I would use, not actually even traveling. This is something that I would use in my daily life. Sometimes I get really bad headaches. So anything that would be cooling on the face would be amazing. And sometimes I get puffy eyes too. So this would be another time where I would use it. So this is probably something that's going to get a lot of TLC from me. So I'm pumped. And that's pretty cool looking too. I like the stars. It's sort of this mint green. I guess you would call that mint green with gold and silver stars. So this, I mean, this alone, I don't know how much it retails for. I think I saw similar Free People masks sold on their site, not quite a cooling one. They were definitely a lot more than $5. Like, this alone, I'd probably spent $20 on just because this will help me with my headache. So I'll take it. I'm super pumped about this. And it looks like one final item here. Oh, that's cute. They have little, just making it look nice. That's pretty cool. So rip this open, and it actually like matches my shirt right now, which is kind of bizarre. But how cute is this? This is just a little tote. This is kind of fun. I don't know if you could see it real nice, but it's fun. This is like something I would definitely use for the beach. This is by Summer and Rose. And the inside is quite nice as well. It seems like it's potentially waterproof inside. There's a spot for a cell phone and also a little pocket. They are calling it with rope handles, part of their handbag collection. But this is something I would love to use on the beach, honestly, or if I'm going to the gym or doing yoga, I can throw all of my items in here. So this is super cool. So now that we have revealed my FabFit starter box, which is something that I've literally, like I said, been freaking out, dying to open this box forever, especially because my seasonal box has now arrived, but I wanted to open this one first. So let's review this starter box. So I have to say I love the packaging of this starter box, and all of the items that I got are totally way more money than $4.99. Like I said, alone, this has to be at least twice the price of $4.99. And this, I'd have to say, I don't know, don't quote me, but this could probably be like 35 bucks alone. So I'm pumped. I'm super sold on FabFitFun already. So for my review, let's get right to it. As per usual, drum roll, please. I rate my FabFitFun starter box a big fat 9. This thing is awesome. This is the best $4.99 I've literally ever spent in my entire life. To be honest with you, I have a ton of these beach bags, so that's something I'll use, but definitely not something that I needed. This and this is going to save my life. I would have paid $30 for these items alone. So I'm super excited. I love it. Kudos to you, FabFitFun. I can't wait to open my subscription box and show you guys that as well. If you like what you see, or you have some suggestions in terms of products I should reveal and review, put them in the comments section below. And of course, please do subscribe to my channel. Bye! Subscribe to my mommy's channel!